Okay, we are now at the new Goodwill in Bakersfield, and they're open during construction, so let's see what we can find. I'm laughing because I grabbed a cart. I was being really optimistic. You'll see how big the hard goods section is in just a moment. They had the plastic partitions up, closing off most of the store. And here's the hard goods section. That was it. There were, I don't know, 5 things to choose from? This studio pottery mug was a little beat up. I think it was someone's project piece. Okay, we didn't have much luck, but fingers crossed. My husband was pointing out the Coach box. However, I was looking at the espadrilles next to it. Now, I've never purchased shoes at a secondhand, but those looked new and they did look pretty. However, I didn't purchase them. There were a lot of people here this day, and it was shocking how sparse the shelves were. The last time we were here, the shelves were completely packed, and I expected more of the same, but no, there was just very, very little to choose from. This Pug cookie jar was probably the highlight of the trip. However, it was thin ceramic, and I was really worried about shipping it because USPS has been very rough with our packages. This is the first time ever that we've gone into 2 different thrift stores and haven't purchased anything. I mean, look at this. There's hardly anything on the shelves. I don't typically look at lamps, but this one looked interesting. However, when we tested it, it didn't work. So we drove 70 miles and walked out empty-handed. For that reason, we decided that on the way back home, we would stop at our favorite little Salvation Army in Porterville, California, and see if they had anything. I'm starting off in the glass section just to check it out and see if there's anything interesting. I did like these glasses, but shipping those would be a nightmare. It was funny, today was a day for pugs. Please make sure to like and subscribe. There is no cost to you for subscribing, but it does help out my channel. Oh my goodness, my husband always finds either a moose or a reindeer. Now these were very interesting. That mark is so distinctive and we could not place it. Look, see, it looks like an M and a D. We looked it up and we just couldn't find anything. If any of you recognize that mark, please let me know. I'm always interested in learning new things. Oh my goodness, I was so excited about these plates. Now, I have a lot of blue and white dishes. I do. I have a lot of blue and white transferware, and that's why I decided to leave those cups, because I just have so much. I'm leaving it there for somebody else. But if it's a new design that I haven't seen, that I don't have, I will pick it up. I can't help it. And these plates were so different. They had historical American scenes on them, and I was just excited to see them, so I had to get them. This is a blue and white soup tureen, and it's ironstone. And why didn't I pick it up? I think the reason was because I have so much blue and white transferware. But honestly, this is so pretty, and I have been wanting a soup tureen, so why didn't I get it? This is a crystal Polish bowl, which is very cool, but it is clear. It was very heavy, and it was very simple. So we decided to leave that there. This, I believe, is a vintage chip and dip bowl, however, with the flashed bottom. However, I really try not to pick up flashed items because the paint tends to wear away. I was so tempted to get this. My son's name is Jordan, and this would have been so much fun to give to him so that they can use it when they have popcorn and watch movies with the kids. They wanted a lot of money for it, and it was incredibly heavy. Oh my goodness, more of these beautiful plates. I love them. I love them so much, and I was so excited to get them. I should have left one of them there because what I thought was just dirt ended up being a chip and a stain, and it's right in the center of the plate, and there's no way to cover up with decor. I really liked this tidbit tray, and it was so pretty. Honestly, I'm hitting myself for not getting that, because it would have been perfect for like pickles and such. This was such a fun find. This is Richard Ginori, and it began in 1735 and went through its lifetime ups and downs. In 2013, they went through a little upheaval, and guess who bought it? Gucci. This cute little baby bassinet music box was adorable. However, it didn't work. This was a very, very heavy recycled glass bowl. I can't help it. I love everything Harry Potter. After striking out at the Goodwills in Bakersfield, we hit a home run at the Salvation Army in Porterville. These gorgeous plates are Alfred Meekin, made in England, and they are just breathtakingly beautiful in my opinion. And sadly, very sadly, one of them is damaged and right in the center, and I'm so angry with myself because I was so excited to have them that I didn't really look them over well enough, and I should have left the other one. Look at that. That's not dirt, it's chipped and stained, sadly. And we paid $1.99 a piece, so okay, I'm not out that much money, but still, I should have left it. These are Enoch Wedgwood countryside pattern, and they are just so beautiful. I do have some smaller saucers in this pattern, but I had to get these, and they were marked $4 a piece, but it was yellow tag, and that was the color of the day, so they were half off. These saucers go with the larger plates with the ship. They're called Fair Winds, and there were no cups to be found. So I will be on the lookout for cups to go with those saucers. This was definitely the find of the day. This is missing the spoon, but similar ones that are online, missing the spoon, start at $45, and they range all the way up to $475. The $475 one has the spoon. Oh my goodness, this was so beautiful. It's so breathtakingly gorgeous. The detail on it is amazing, and it is just stunning. I'm going to try and find a little spoon to put in there. And can you just imagine having lunch or dinner and serving some little sauce in there and just using it? It's just so cute. It's no wonder Gucci bought the company. And if you didn't know, Gucci is one of the top designers in the world. It was marked $9.99, but we used our 25% coupon, so we got it for $7.50. I don't think we have this shown in the video, but we picked it up there as well. We just kind of found it way in the back, and it was so cute. It's Disney, and it is a popcorn basket. It is just adorable, so I had to pick that up. It was listed for $4, and because it was yellow tag, we got it for $2. If you liked the video you saw, click on this one.